So this is typical of Miele's range of washing machines. It's an 8 kg 1400 spin machine. They use a fairly unique caring honeycomb stainless steel tub. The paddles on the tub are not plastic, so if you're doing your track shoes or whatever, they're likely to stay in place because they're part of the physical tub, so very robust, which goes along typically with Miele's desire to build things with a tested to last 15 to 20 year and extreme reliability to go with that. But this is a basic machine. Everyone should be able to understand this. Main wash, pre-wash, conditioner. This will also take the caps, which is another story, but an interesting one. You can set your programs there easily enough. This particular machine, you can literally just touch the temperature or the spin you want, or if you want to manipulate the program to make it shorter, or add a pre-wash, etc. Most of them have a express 20 wash for people that are in a rush. Most of them will have an eco wash, so if you want to do a very effective wash but for the lowest possible price, I think I was quoted recently something like 25 pence a wash, you can do that too. So the basic machines would be 8 kg, 9 kg, I think it might even be a 10. If you ever see you've got two filters here, then this is a power wash design. Power wash is designed to give you a very effective wash as quickly as possible. If you select quick power wash, you'll get the job done in something like 58 minutes, but you'll get an A-rated, decent sized wash, not a small load freshen up cycle, which is invariably what you get if you're doing a 20-minute cycle. Again, that should cover what most people need. The other option is self-dosing, which again is another story.